Hi everyone, welcome to this video lecture. Myself, M. Krishna, working as Assistant Professor in EEE Department, St. Peter's Engineering College. In this video, we are going to discuss about auto transformer. Auto transformer is same as a normal transformer, but here in this case, the conduction takes place, means the electrical energy transferring from primary winding to the secondary winding through two modes. One is induction mode, the second one is conduction mode. This is the advantage of auto transformer. It is also a kind of electrical transformer, but the primary winding and secondary winding shares the common single winding. And the other name for this auto transformer is one winding transformer. You can observe the auto transformer in the diagram. Look at this. This is auto transformer connection, and from A to C is the primary winding and B to C is the secondary winding. So we are applying the voltage to A and B, and we are connecting a load between B and C. Means the portion BC indicating the secondary winding, the portion AB, this AB part indicating the primary winding. You can see the details. The winding AB of total turns N1 is considered as primary winding. This winding is tapped from point C, and the portion BC is considered as secondary winding. And with this, in this auto transformer, the voltage per turn, particularly for the primary winding, is V1 by N1. If you are going for voltage per turn in the secondary winding, it is V2 by N2, which we can see next. See this? So V1 upon N1 into N2, which is indicating equal to V2. From that we can write one equation, V2 upon V1 is equal to the N2 upon N1, which we can say constant. This constant we already seen in terms in case of normal transformer, that what we are calling is turns ratio or voltage ratio. Here in this case, when we connect the load to the secondary winding of auto transformer, the secondary current I2 is flowing through the secondary winding. The total current when we calculate through the secondary winding will be the difference between I2 and I1. The main advantage of this auto transformer is copper saving, because we are not at all using two different windings. We are using only one winding for the two purposes. The same winding for primary winding, the same winding for secondary winding. See, how do you going to save the copper in auto transformer? One derivation part is there. Look at the equations. See, weight of the copper in the section AC proportional to N1 minus N2 into I1. Weight of the copper in section BC proportional to N2 of I2 minus I1. Hence, the total weight of copper in the winding of auto transformer proportional to just we can see this equation N1 minus N2 of I1 plus N2 of I2 plus I2 minus I1. So what we are taken earlier, the equations are going to be added here, and finally we are getting 2 of N1 I1 minus N2 I1. Similarly, weight of copper in two winding transformer N1 I1 minus N2 I2. This is normally we can say it is not N1 I1 minus N2 I2, it is N1 I1 which is equal to N2 I2. So this will become 2 N1 I1 because turns ratio is the same. Then the comparison of weight of the copper of auto transformer and two winding transformer. WA indicating the weight of the copper, WTW indicates the two winding transformer. This is very clearly shown here. This is weight of the copper, this is weight of the auto transformer. We are just comparing the what we have got the equations earlier. So from this we are going to get to one equation here, 1 minus K, where K is the turns ratio. From that we can write weight of the copper of auto transformer is equal to the 1 minus K of weight of the two winding transformer, weight of the copper of the two winding transformer. So from that, when we simplify the above one, we will get weight of the copper of the auto transformer equal to WTW minus K WTW. See some advantages of using auto transformer. 50% is corresponding size of a two winding transformer. It is equal to, means when you use the auto transformer, when compare with its two winding transformer, the size of the auto transformer reduces to 50% and compared to the two winding transformer. Auto transformers has higher efficiency than two winding transformer. This is because of less ohmic loss and core losses due to reduction of transformer material. Auto transformer has better voltage regulation as voltage drop in resistance and reactance of the single winding is less. Some disadvantages. Because of electrical conductivity of the primary and secondary windings of the lower voltage circuit is liable to impressed upon by higher voltages. To avoid that breakdown in the lower voltage circuit, it is necessary to design the lower voltage to withstand the higher voltage values. The leakage flux between the primary and secondary winding is small, hence the impedance is very low. This results into severe short circuit currents under any fault condition. The connections on primary and secondary sides have necessarily needs to be same except when using interconnected steering connections. This introduces complexity due to change in primary and secondary phase angle, particularly in the case of delta to delta connection. Because of common neutral in a star to star connected auto transformer, It is not possible to earth neutral of one side only. Both their sides should have their neutrality, either earth or isolated. Thank you for watching this video.